Welcome back to Karis Investment. My name is Ken, young entrepreneur. Guys, here we make investment simple, point blank. Now, as you guys know, back on December 18, I recommend buying Blackberry at below $6.90. I hope you guys got to buy those shares because we saw a few weeks later and the share were down at $6.60 at one point. But great news for you guys. The share price was up today, plus 20%. We have seen the last, I would say, 3-4 days has been a day of 5 to 10% run. And then today we see share price was up for 20%, which is great news. No, guys, I want to skip to it. I want to keep this on pace. It's just an update. It's not really a deep dive video to break down and to analyze a lot of stuff. It's just to give you guys an update on what the company has been doing since we last spoke. As you can see on the screen here, and I like what I see here, it says everyone is working at home. And that tells you something very important, guys, including cyber attackers. Because BlackBerry have shifted their focus from hardware to strictly software and security and cloud space. Guys, the world relies on connecting with people from different parts of the world. It could be social media, it could be Zoom, it could be Facebook, it could be YouTube, just like us right now. It's a different type of living. The reason why I think you should invest in BlackBerry, guys, is the future lifestyle and work environment is becoming more and more remote. And as what you can see, the message clearly tell us is that everyone is working at home. And you see a family there to let you know it's the future. Now let's get back to the charts to see exactly what's happening here. So if we look at the chart right now, we can see back on December 18, I let you guys know in advance. I says, guys, if you want to do an investment, it's a great time to jump in the stock. We can see back here, the stock was trading. Let's see the 18. Let's go back here. Perfect, right here. Okay, so we can see the stock was traded on the 18th of December. It opens up just around $7 per share. It went as low as $6.88 before closing at $6.94. Guys, the price I'm telling right now is in US dollar. I hope it's not confusing to my Canadian viewers, but the dollar currency right now is 1.265 around that mark. So as you can see, the price $6.95 closed on 18. And for the next week or so, we can see the stock do a small dive into the $6.52. Now, at this point, guys, what you should have been doing is getting more shares. Now, what I did, I went in and I got a few more shares, just around $6.65, right? Not really much difference from what I pay. I paid $6.94 or $6.95 on the average. But what I did, I just break the average by, I would say, around 15 cents. Wasn't really much of a big deal, but it made a difference though. So you guys could have got here, or you guys could have got somewhere um, in the first week of January, or even here when it hits at 740, would have been a great entry point as well. But as we can see, there's a steep up climb now. Is trading above $9. I look forward for next week. I would say, if not tomorrow, maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm hoping to see if it could break $10 per share, if not $11 per share. And I'd say 3 to 6 months. I want to see if it could go back anywhere in the $15 to $20 per share, and then I'll feel more confident. Now, if it jumps over that price, it is possible. Now, with the recent news of the sale of 90 patents to Huawei, the phone manufacturer out of China, you can see that BlackBerry is slowly unloading all of their mobile patents and to focus strictly on software and security. Guys, if you have not been following the news lately, with software companies, they could go very fast. Now, the only thing that was holding back BlackBerry is because they're more of a traditional company. So now we see the CEO has lost on a Zoom call. He's trying to completely focus on software and security because with more and more people that will be working from home, and the biggest concern that will be for employers is if their employee computers or devices or is secure. That's it. Because if you're working from home, if you're connecting to your server, they want to make sure that you're not exposing their network to potential like hacking or any kind of viruses. So a company like Blackberry that's known for their security will definitely see a surge in your price per share. Looking forward for the next coming months. If you have been holding BlackBerry shares over the years, guys, keep your shares, hold on to it. It's a company that's not going to go anywhere, especially with the electric vehicles coming out and the autonomous driving. BlackBerry is a big part in that. You may have heard about a facility that they have up in Ontario here in Ottawa. They have been doing years and years of research. Now, as I said before, with Xpang as well, they have a few software from BlackBerry, and don't be surprised if there's more company that will be reaching out to BlackBerry to provide their services. We know, guys, the future is autonomous driving and electric vehicles. These cars need to be secure. We cannot have cars that self-driving on the road and that's connecting to um, different towers and cell towers, and they're not secure because then we're gonna have an issue here, right? Um, I'm just saying, Barry, if you invest in them right now, wait a few years and reap the benefit. Investment is not a race. We just got to slowly make our profit. And then pretty soon you will see that it pays off, guys. Now, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to leave it as it is. And then I'll talk to you guys on the market tomorrow. I will be trading. Hopefully, it's a good day. It's a good day. The EV market was up and down today, opens high and then goes down, come back up. So hope you guys make some profit. Now, guys, trade with a stop loss, especially if you're trading with Plug and Clean Spark for tomorrow. We saw that fuel cell was down, I think 10% as well. So keep in mind, guys, when they drop low, we buy more shares. That's it. I'm going to end by saying, let's make our investment simple, guys. Okay, we buy low, sell high. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate your trades because when you're making money, money should be coming into you very simple. All right? Now, peace out.